The shocking truth about how often conventional treatment for bacterial vaginosis fails. Many conventional treatments lead to even worse bacterial vaginosis. 77% of all women treating bacterial vaginosis with pharmaceutical antibiotics suffer from recurrence within months. Would your curiosity be piqued if you knew that you could walk into your kitchen right now, pick out 2 ingredients, go to your bathroom, apply them, and experience immediate relief for your symptoms? Herbal products can easily cost you around $77 for one bottle that frankly only lasts 1 month. After intensive research and collecting powerful secrets, an easy-to-follow 3-step program that targets the root cause of bacterial vaginosis is now available. This book will only cost you a fraction of what you will pay on doctor consultations and prescription medication. This 3-step attack plan is something that nobody else in the world has put together. It is critical that you follow all 3 steps to eliminate BV forever. Here is what you'll learn by reading 3 Days to Permanent Bacterial Vaginosis Relief. The secret 3-step home remedy that harnesses the power of Mother Nature to get rid of bacterial vaginosis for good. Discover the one critical factor that stops fishy odor and discharge for good, especially after sex. How to avoid common feminine hygiene products that could be literally rubbing you the wrong way. Finally, the complete and honest answer to why you have bacterial vaginosis and what to do to ensure that you never get it again. A little known secret that restores optimal bacteria balance to your vagina using a 100% natural substance to ensure your BV won't come back. The most powerful external anti-BV secret weapon the drug industry hopes you will never find out. What should you not do, even if your doctor tells you to? This book contains a warning regarding an ingredient your soap might contain that is known to be a common factor in bacterial vaginosis. 3 steps to cleanse your body that not only prevents bacterial vaginosis, but also yeast infections and urinary tract infections, and so many more secrets. You can have immediate access to the successful program at a one-off cost of only $59.99. Take urgent note, you can find relief for only $39. Try 3 Days to Permanent Bacterial Vaginosis Relief for 8 full weeks with a no-risk 100% money-back guarantee. The best part is, you can have the ebook version within minutes because it is available for instant download. To ensure you're completely rid of your BV, you will receive free online support at the value of $5,000 free. Offers are limited and there is no guarantee how long this amazing offer will last. So get your book and all the extra free offers at the discounted price of only $39 while you still can right now.